Write yours, Dan.
Just here.
Write it down.
Just
My
sit.
Little Pony.
My Little Pony Teeny Land Stain.
My Little
Pony Teeny Land Stain. She's writing it.
Yeah.
Okay, and what else?
And fun and the magic dust.
Magic dust. And magic dust.
Yeah, and Clarice costume.
Clarice costume.
Yeah, the reindeer Clarice. I like that.
All right.
It's so much fun.
Now right on the other side, Alex. Magic dust. All right. Now flip it over and write the rest for Clarice here.
And the ring, and the fan, put presents under our Christmas tree, and Clarice is all the time.
Flip it over, and write the rest. Say. All right. What else do you want? Yeah, keep writing.
Keep writing.
Here.
I'll rewrite Clarice. Keep
Say,
writing.
This is for, and just put your name, Clarice. Is that all you want?
No.
Keep writing.
Alex's nose is bugging him. All right.